Welcome to our channel. Today. We will guide you step by step on how to log into your WeTransfer Pro account quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel. If you are looking to access your WeTransfer Pro account and want a seamless login experience, you are in the right place. Let me take you through a straightforward step-by-step process to get you into your account without any hassle. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you like. Step 2. In the address bar, type www.wetransfer.com and press enter. This will bring you directly to the WeTransfer homepage. Step 3. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage. There you will find the sign in button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. On the login page, you will see two fields, email and password. Enter the email address associated with your WeTransfer Pro account. Make sure it is the one you registered with. Step 5. Enter your password carefully. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 6. If you want your device to remember your login details for easier access in the future, you can tick the Keep Me Signed In box. This step is optional but very convenient. Step 7. After filling in all the required fields, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your WeTransfer Pro dashboard, where you can start sharing, transferring, or managing your files effortlessly. A few troubleshooting tips: if you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link just below the password field. Then follow the instructions to reset it easily. If your account isn't recognized, make sure you're using the correct email address and that you have an active WeTransfer Pro subscription. Now, you know the simplest way to log in into your WeTransfer Pro account efficiently without complications. We appreciate you spending time with us and hope this guide helps you access your file transfers sooner. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips on our channel, and don't forget